hope na-enjoy niyo po yun. And thank you po for being such an amazing crowd. Again, before our last song, we are Belinda Judiths. My name is Bjorn Tega, and I hope everyone is having a great night tonight. Konti na lang yung papalatan natin ng Selling Sanctuary. Now, ngayon naman po for our last song. This one is an original song. Para po sa lahat ng mga pinaglaruan dyan, sa inyo po itong kantang to, inaalay po namin sa inyo. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo. At it goes a little bit like this.